So what we've done to help the marketplace out is take the technology that is from Content Analyst that's been proven in a number of markets, and we'll give you a few examples of that later, and create a SaaS-based offering. So we can bring something that is extremely high quality, eliminates the dictionaries, gives you a common user interface, can scale, understands your interactions so that you can find results faster, quicker, and more aligned to your needs in a cost-effective platform, that you're not spending 7 figures or 8 figures to build it, that this thing is basically priced per person to go through a SaaS model, and you can take internal and external content. So instead of talking about it, maybe what we can do is give you a short demo here, and then we'll do a little bit more tailored demo shortly where we will focus it on the pharma. So here what we have is Cerebrant. Cerebrant is, as I said, the SaaS offering. It comes supplied with a number of content sources. This one is tailored for the pharmaceutical market, where we've added all of the latest guidances and maps in a repository. We have general news, which is all the information collected by Acquired Media and their News Edge product. It's over 85,000 sources. In this area, we've taken 240 of the life science focused sources plus 30 of the top general news sources to create this information set. We've a licensee of Medline from the National Library of Medicine, so we have that, and we also have taken all of the full text documents and created another workspace. The workspaces are just ways that people might want to organize information by either type, class, or access or security issues. No different than when you put information in one department's documentum system or SharePoint system and keep it separate from another. We also include Wikipedia for references. But if we take a really simple activity, we can go into news. Let me go bring up another tab quickly. And while John's bringing that up, I just want to comment. When you think about how this mathematical foundation has been proven in the consumer industry, that's fairly straightforward in terms of the information available, say, about movies and TV shows and Netflix. But what the power of the math is it relies on the complexity of its content. So as John was saying, in looking at all the peer-reviewed literature in the life sciences area, news and other complex topics, you can continue to rely on the power of the mathematical engine to build those relationships between what you're looking for and the inherent knowledge, if you will, of what's in the content. Right. So here I was reading an article. I find some interesting write-up about whose heart are the oldest and some background. So I might be interested in that. So literally all I do is copy that text, and I might want to say what other articles are in the news that are about that. So I can just paste this in. Notice that I pasted in all of the text. And what's important to note is we're not looking just for heart or by specific ethnicity. This is a whole idea that we're looking for, not just an individual keyword. Right, and as Melissa pointed out, there's a number of things going on here. What authors have found in the study, the breakdown in ethnicity, also about women, different age groups. So we're giving the system, here's a number of things that we're interested in. This is what I read, and I want to try to find more like this. So all we do is hit submit, and now what the system is going off and doing, it's finding a variety of issues that are brought out from that article. So we can go find a number of documents that talk about, heart attack, risks, and other things. Now, in some cases, they are related, but not maybe relevant to what you're looking for. In this case, I might say this one is very relevant to what I'm looking for, and I can keep kind of looking at it. Here, what you see highlighted on the screen is parts of the document, in this case, it's a very short document, that the system found were really highly related. Along the side here, we also see lots of metadata that came with the information, whether you added it or it was delivered, in this case, from General News.
So back to the keyword discussion, while this tool doesn't require searching by keywords or tags, it takes advantage of where they exist. So it's not to say that one should suddenly be finished with MedRIS, NOMED, etc. We need to still leverage the value of having tagged or standardized terms in our content, and this tool allows you to do that.
Right.